Hi, I'm Christy Cable. I just got home from Dreamfinders. They are an amazing builder right here in Indian Trail. They have a community called Moore's Farms that I just toured, and I was lucky to get tons of information to share with you guys. They are just starting their second phase. They have two-story homes. They've got 8 floor plans. They are in the high 400s. The home sites that they have that are ready to be built on would be ready, your home would be ready in about spring if you were to start today. You can also go to the Design Center, which is located up in the University area of Charlotte. You'd be able to pick out all of your, own things, all the finishings and doorknobs that you want, all the fun stuff. So that's exciting. They do offer a really most important thing right now they're offering. If you use their preferred lender, they are offering 4.99% 30-year fixed rate. And not only that, hold on, they're paying your closing cost. So this is just, you want to talk about going back to 2023? We're almost there. That's much lower than the rate that's being offered right now, which is not bad. It's in the sixes, but it's not 4.99 and paid closing cost. So if you are interested in this, I am going to encourage you to take a look at the video that I'm going to air next, because I took a video of my absolute favorite model. It is the Millbrook model. And I was, I'm pretty happy with the house that I own. I'm pretty happy here. Been here for about 7-8 years. But I wouldn't mind living in this house. This was pretty cool. All right, so take a look at that video. It will air right after this. And if you want more information, please reach out to me directly. I'm happy to tell you everything I learned about the Dreamfinders Moore's Farm community located right here in Indian Trail. Thanks.